This statement has been prepared by those who possess a knowledge of both the faun and the impact of the unregulated and illegal superdump adjacent to our river. Our groups have also declared the right of the River Faughan to hold legal personhood or naturehood, including the right for the river to exist. We understand this may be the first time in modern court history in Northern Ireland that a victim impact statement has been issued specifically on behalf of non-human kind. Rights of the River Faughan include the rights of communities who depend on the river, enjoy the river, and protect the river. The rights of the River Faughan are therefore synonymous with the rights of humans. This is akin to a community impact statement, but in this submission, the community is the river ecosystem. The river has suffered an open wound with festering toxic material leaching into its groundwater for many years, and that leaves an enduring legacy of pollution that will haunt our river for generations to come. The faun has no one to protect it and has no trust in those institutions charged with protecting our river. There is genuine heartfelt concern that it may no longer play a healthy, regenerating role in the cycle of nature and all life it supports. People no longer trust the water is clean. It is a false economy that cannot recognize how nature and our environment are inextricably bound up with the social and economic well-being of our communities. Who will speak for the River Faughan? Who will speak for the endangered Atlantic salmon that migrate to the river from Greenland and spawn into its gravels? Who will speak for its protected otters, its trees such as the oaks, alder, and the willow? It is now time that someone speaks up for the faun and allows our river to have their voices heard. We acknowledge that to protect the faun, a fundamental shift in humankind's relationship with the river is necessary. We live at a time of unprecedented species extinction, ecosystem collapse, and climate breakdown. That the river holds deep cultural and spiritual meaning for human beings is a repository for deep time for all life that experience the river, and provides humankind with the gift of drinking water, food, shelter, recreation, and well-being. We understand the River Faughan has evolved over thousands of years and will continue to evolve. It is only in the last decades that this 10,000-year-old ecosystem has been damaged through assertion of other property rights to harm the rights of nature. We recognize that current environmental laws are interpreted in ways that treat nature as a commodity or property. We declare the River Faughan is a natural ecosystem and possesses intrinsic rights, including the right to naturally exist, flourish, regenerate, and evolve, the right to restoration, recovery, and wilding, the right to carry out its natural functions and to be free of activities or practices that infringe upon these rights, the right to independently maintain its own life-sustaining relationship with other ecosystems and living creatures. We also declare the highest protection for our river and its native species through the recognition of legal naturehood or legal personhood for the River Faughan.